All right, so here we are. We're getting in the pool. And right behind me is the Bubot 500P. You follows me? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grabulate it, bring it right in here, just like that. And then I'm gonna sink it. Make sure this top's in. I'm gonna get it underwater, just like that. And then I'm gonna come to this switch on top. See that switch? I'm gonna turn it all the way to the left. And now this bad boy is just about ready to take off. Ready, set, go. There she goes. It takes it a while, but it definitely kicks in. And we'll just let that bad boy do its thing and clean the bottom of our pool. It does a pretty good job. It's very light. It doesn't crawl the walls, but you know what? Still a pretty damn good machine for the price. So if you're looking for something to do the bottom of the pool, check it out. Here we go. Now we're going to go into the water. All right, so there's the Bubot. It's on the bottom of the pool. I'm filming it with a shell box and an iPhone Pro Max 13. And you can see it doesn't crawl up the walls, but it does do a good job on cleaning the very bottom of the pool. And it'll be in there for about 2.5 hours. The thing really runs a long time. So I've got to say, this little robot, for the price, does a pretty darn good job. And if you want one, I'm going to put the link in the details. She has cleaned the entire bottom of the pool. Look at her. She's just taking a nap, waiting for me to pull her out. Right, so I've got to retrieve it. It stopped. It's been about 2 hours. So let's go under and get it. So anyway, we're just going to carry it over here. I could use the hook if I wanted to. First, I'm going to turn it off, right? I'm going to turn it off by switching this all the way this way. Then I'm going to lift it up, and it has a lot of water in it, so you're going to see it pour out. You follow me? And that makes it a little bit lighter. And we can put it right up here. Yeah, I'm done. And that's it. We just cleaned the whole pool bottom, and it looks fantastic. Okay, so we just pulled her out of the pool, and now we need to clean it out because it picked up a bunch of junk off of the bottom. So we're going to squeeze the sides here, and it pops off. Sometimes it doesn't want to, but it will. There we go. So that's that. Let's set that there. Okay, so if you look here, you're going to see we got a filter. As you can see, it's kind of dirty, and then there's all this stuff in there. So what we're going to do is we're just going to squirt it out of there. I have this. Just like that. And we do both sides. And then set that down over there. And then we just got to get this, right? Get rid of that stuff. And clean. That's how you do it. Get her nice and clean. All right, so now we got to put it back together. And notice the way this is here. If you look. All right, so then this is going to go inside like this. So make sure you get it in there. And then you have to slide the top back on. Like this. And sometimes it doesn't go right on. That's it. Bam. Done. Bob's your uncle. Look. See? All the way around. Nice fit. And that's it. And you got it turned off, so you make sure it's all the way to this way. And then you let her dry. And then the next thing you know, you just plug it in and you're ready to go for the next time. Peace out.